This video will cover the unboxing of your SMARTfit low-impact mini portable system. Bring the box into an open area within your facility. It will take 2 people to carry it. Cut the black strapping around the package. Remove the do not stack warning labels from the bottom of the package. Remove these only on the sides that contain the white plastic locks shown here. Open the plastic locks and remove them completely from the package. There are 2 more plastic locks that need to be removed on the opposite end of the package. Now lift up on the open handles to remove the top lid. There are 2 additional cardboard pieces that need to be removed from this package. Remove the box containing the tablet stand along with the welcome envelope. Then remove the system from the package. Cut the plastic wrapping around each wheel. Unlock all 4 wheels and move the system near its dedicated wall outlet. Unfold the arm extension holding the CPU. Plug the target wire and power cord into the CPU. On the back end of the system, find the power cord and plug it into the dedicated wall outlet. Press the up arrow button on the back of the system to position the targets at a suitable height. The middle target should be positioned around chest level. Make sure the system's power is enabled by flipping the on-off switch to the on position. Open the tablet stand box and use the written instructions to assemble it. Once complete, place the tablet inside as shown here. Sign into your SMARTfit cloud account, connect to the CPU, and start a game. You are now ready to use SMARTfit.
If you have any questions about the information covered in this video, please contact customer service.